Look no further than the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.